Hello guys, this is Mac Doyle Fire Alarm 19 and I'm at the North Village and I'm waiting for the Everts Integrity to go off and we'll see what happens over there. So we're just gonna watch over there and we'll wait for it. So we'll see what the other one. So let's see. What's gonna happen over there? EST Integrities and Gentex for EST Genesis. Alright, let's sit way over there and then I'll wait for it to go off. Alright, it's gonna be a few minutes. Well, that's done. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Still filming. Huh?
What you doing there, Mac?
Doing a video
Oh, nice. What up?
for the fire alarm.
Oh, fire alarm?
It's going off.
Which building?
Wyden.
This one?
Yeah.
Huh.
So what North Village are you in?
That one over there.
Okay.
Jameson.
Good for you, Seth.
Yeah. You?
Yeah, same thing.
Oh, nice.
I'm in Windblade,
Cool.
right next to you. So it's gonna be about 2 minutes. So.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go shower.
All right, it's good to see you. There's the airplane. Whoa, what the? Noisy airplane. All right. What in the? No, there's two. Seriously? Man. Okay. I gotta get a little closer. Let's see what's going on. Get a little closer. I guess EST Integrity is gonna sound code 3. So that would be nice. Stone Silent Night BD12. There we go. There goes the strobes in the back. Now the EST is going off. There's Hannah. Oh. There she is. Here's Alright.
Oh, stop!
Love the sound of that. Who else is coming?
Just kidding, Hannah. I thought we could get lucky.
Where's Gabe? Right afterwards, I'm gonna take a fire alarm tour in Windblade, and I could show you in the first, second, and third. Good fan with the first one out there. Here's Lauren and Hannah. Man, they got out quick. Oof. Heavens to Bessie. Well, I'm not gonna film right over there and other one over there, but I'm okay because I'll be filming right there, right this integrity over there. Now this is going to be on YouTube, and I'm going to show it to my fire alarm friends on YouTube. And let's see, after it's done, I'm going to wait till it gets over. There goes Joe, the security guard. I like him, but I met him tonight right after fire drill. Alright, let's see what happens. Hope they're gonna silence and reset. Alright. Alright. This will go to it. There goes Hannah and Lauren. Okay. Boy, those Bethel University fire alarms are a bunch of mix of fire drills, like Wheelots, Notifier, Johnson Controls, or wait, no, Johnson Controls temperatures, and Honeywells, all that. Can't believe it. Simplex T-Bar, 425120, that's hilarious. I don't know what's that. Oh, it's the ESC Genesis over there. This was the last one. Oh, there we go. Guess the fire drill's ended. And I'm gonna please subscribe and probably chat with me, and we'll see you on the next video for the Windblade fire alarm tour.